Welcome to the 25 days of Stitchmas. My name is Nelu, and for the next 25 days, we are going to be creating new stitch files that I am going to digitize and embroider for you on this channel. Now, if you are somebody that likes to digitize, embroider, illustrate, paint, or whatever your creativity is, use these as like a daily prompt for the holiday season to create something new for your shop or maybe just for you in general. I will be digitizing and embroidering every single one of these stitch outs. So, welcome to day 19 of Stitchmas.
Computer, as a reminder, we are using the Embroidery software Stitch Artist Level 3. Let's bring you the design for day 19, which is another snowflake, but it is a little bit different. So we'll bring her in, and if you know, my design is Daddies. So let's go ahead and select this. I'm holding Shift so we can adjust from the center. Bring it back down. Okay, so we've got a couple different options here on how we're going to do this. We have 3 different lines, which is fine, because we can use any side of these ones. So the way I'm thinking in my head is we're going to do something a little bit different this time. And that is, we are going to do a fill, and then with a satin border, and make this hefty. So now we just got to pick which outline we want to use. So we have 3 different outlines, so we got to pick which ones we want to use. So I'm just going to copy and duplicate this. Okay. Bringing it from the last design. Okay. So what do we want to do? Figure that out. Do we want to do this or do we want to do this? I think the biggest, right? So I'm going to do this. This inside. So the next thing will be, let's digitize this. But since this is an SVG, this should be quite simple. So we're going to let's go into our editing tools, design, begin new design, and we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this line in, and we're going to change it to a fill. I apologize, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is create new design, and we're going to select both, paste them, and we're going to combine the tools. Now, if you notice it, what it does is it subtracts that center point, so we don't have to do that anymore. So we're liking that. Let's change this color to blue. And honestly, what is the next thing? Satin. Bring this up to solid 3 millimeters. Looks nice and hefty. Now, there's pattern set. No pattern, and we're going to change this to normal. Everything's looking back to normal. We don't have any underlay because the fill stitches will provide us that stability in this design. So the satin stitches aren't going to do that. Alrighty, now if we want to get fancy, we could change the satin border to a different color. If we really wanted to, we can go with like a lighter blue to have that definition, which I think is what we're going to do actually. And that's going to just look so pretty, guys. Now, for the fill stitch, we can change the type of stitch out so it gives it something, some type of design or whatnot. So let's do like a chevron. What else we got here? And don't be afraid to flip around and explore while you're doing this. Ooh, I like that looks really cool. And there we go. Now we have that all set and all ready to go. Now just move to the stitch out. This one's really simple and really quick. So that SVG files sometimes can be, if you design them the correct way, they can be quite helpful. So yeah, when you're looking at an SVG, you can always download the SVG of the design and change it into a stitch file. So pretty simple, or a lot easier than trying to do it yourself. So yeah, let's get this over to the machine, stick it out, and we'll drag this out any further.
Hey guys, here we are at the stitch out of day 19, and the code word is cheer. So if you want to get this digitized file or the design file, you can go to stitchdaddies.com and you can go to shop. Under digital, you'll find all our 25 days of Stitchmas items there. You can download that, or you can go to the link in our bio and you can it will take you directly there. Anywho, I hope you guys are enjoying day 19 of Stitchmas. I am having a blast doing all of these, and honestly, it's day by day it's getting easier to digitize and kind of work around things. I really like it, and it's really helping. So hopefully it's helping you too. Maybe it's giving you some inspiration to do some digitizing yourself. But onto the snowflake, I think came out pretty cute, and honestly it looks really, really good. I think this would go great on any type of stocking or any type of blanket because it's just so cute. Anywho, I hope you guys are enjoying day 19. I will see you guys tomorrow.
come together.